Alright, last video of the X6 trailer hitch install series. So, I decided to go with the Curt Echo underdash unit because I didn't want to run a wire from back here all the way up to the front, and I didn't want to drill anywhere into it. So, Curt Echo, I'm going to use the app on the phone, which is what I'm currently using to film, so you're not going to see me play around with the app. But anyways, install is pretty simple. Like I said in the earlier install video, this wire is on the factory harness, and they give you this female end of the plug along with the terminals, so you don't have to go searching through real OEM for any of it. Curt has its own 4-pin plug, which is kind of universal. I just snipped that off and then wired these 4 wire colors in. Let's see. These are the color codes for the BMW plug. So just take a screenshot or pause here for this, and then just match it up with the Curt stuff up here. Let's see what else. The tools I use, this thing to strip the wires, this to cut the wires, and then this thing to make the B crimps on the terminals. You cannot use this to crimp, you have to use something like this, which is an IWIS unit. There's your part number. And then if you are a little bit worried just like me, take your multimeter, confirm you have your 12 volts at your red, your ground is brown, and then the trailer brakes, you just test for continuity at the pin number 2 on this guy. Let's see. That's about it. So, pretty quick install. All this is going to do is get double-sided taped right up here, and Bob's your uncle, you're done. Thanks for watching.